In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to insert GIF and images in Microsoft PowerPoint 2025. We'll start by opening PowerPoint. If you're on Windows, click the Start or Windows icon, then select PowerPoint from your app list. Once PowerPoint is open, leave it running and switch to your web browser. Head to your preferred search engine and search for the GIF you want. Type a clear keyword like dancing cat GIF or confetti GIF. When you find a GIF you like, right-click it and choose Save Image As. Pick a location you'll remember. Your desktop or downloads folder keeps things simple. Then click Save. Quick tip: make sure the file ends in .gif so it will animate later, and always respect image licensing and usage rights. Next, we'll grab a regular image the same way. In your browser, search for the image you want, click the image to open it. In a larger view if needed, right-click, and choose Save Image As. Again, save it to a place you can easily find. Using easy file names helps, like confetti.gif and background.jpg. Now return to PowerPoint. On the ribbon at the top, go to the Insert tab, then click Pictures and choose this device. Navigate to where you saved your files and select just one item to start. Inserting one at a time makes it easier to position each element cleanly. Click Insert, and your image or GIF will appear on the slide. Click and drag to move it where you want it. To add the other file, go back to Insert, choose Pictures, this device, select the next file, and click Insert. Drag it into place as well. If you need to resize, drag from a corner handle to keep the proportions looking right. Holding the Shift key while dragging can help maintain aspect ratio. Use the alignment guides that appear to line things up neatly. If something looks too large or pixelated, try a higher resolution image or scale it down until it looks crisp. A helpful note about GIFs. In PowerPoint, most animated GIFs won't play in the editor. Switch to slideshow mode to preview the animation. If performance feels slow with large pictures, consider compressing images via the picture format tools. And if you need precise placement, zoom in temporarily while arranging, then zoom back out to review. That's it. You've saved a GIF and an image from your browser, inserted them from your device into PowerPoint, positioned them, and adjusted their sizes for a clean, polished slide.